Good afternoon and welcome to today's topic, add and subtract polynomials. Our first example, 2f plus 3 minus f plus 2. Now if you look at our first two terms, 2f and 3, nothing's happening to them, nothing's multiplying them, so we're just going to drag them along, 2f plus 3. But then this negative out in front of this parenthesis, it's like there's a negative 1 out there, and we have to multiply those parts together. So negative times f is going to give us a negative f. We take the negative times a positive 2, we're going to get a negative 2. Now if we look at these terms, we have the 2f part and the negative f part, which when you combine 2f minus 1f, you're going to get f. If I take the 3 plus a negative 2, 3 minus 2 is going to give me plus 1. So I've combined my like terms as much as possible, and there's nothing else that I can do. Well, let's look at a little bit more complicated set. If I have x squared plus 3x plus 4, and I'm subtracting 2x squared minus x plus 1. Now if you look at this first set of parentheses, nothing's happening to it. We're just going to drag those parts along. X squared plus 3x plus 4. Now here again we have to distribute the negative 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So a negative 2 times x squared is going to give us negative 2x squared. We take the negative 2 times the negative x, we're going to get a positive 2x. When we take a negative 2 times a positive 1, we're going to get minus 2. So what we want to do now is combine the x squared parts with the other x squared parts. Well, if I have x squared, it's like it's saying 1x squared. So 1x squared minus 2x squared will give me minus 1x squared. If I look at the plus 3 and the plus 2x, that will give me plus 5x. And if I look at the plus 4 and the minus 2, if I combine those, 4 minus 2 will give me plus 2. I can't combine this term, x squared, with the x part because they're different terms, they have different letters. That power of 2 means it's something different than just having an x. So you've combined this as much as possible, and that's where you have to stop. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.